Get ready to slay in 2024 with these beautiful and stunning black party dresses from Meesho. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी बहुत सारे Meesho dresses, all black and all party wears, and you can rock the party season and festive season coming ahead with all these outfits because they are very affordable and very gorgeous. For the first option, I have this very classy and stylish short black dress which looks so classy. If you style it properly, this can beat any branded outfit and can give you the perfect stylish, chic and fashionable diva look you desire. The cut and overall silhouette of this dress is very posh and modern, and this can be worn to any clubs or even bachelorette party. The price is less than even rupees 400 and the material is polyester but a good one. Next is this beautiful black and white printed long dress which is perfect for any summer party or event. Overall style, cut and fit makes it a must-have for all the fashion-forward girls out there. If you want style and comfort on a budget, this is the perfect piece as the material is poly cotton and the price is less than rupees 550. You can wear it to your summer vacation outings or even to any party just by playing with the accessories. This black and white print is evergreen and this is available in brown color also. Next is this glittery and shimmery dress which is an absolute party wear. The pattern on the dress can really make you slimmer no matter how heavy you are. This dress gives your overall silhouette a beautiful hourglass structure, making you look tall and slim. This is another piece which gives a red carpet vibe, and the flare at the bottom gives a touch of femininity and sophistication. You can wear it for any party or save it for your bachelorette also. The price is rupees 605, but the material is velvet which gives it an expensive look. Next is this polka dot ruffle dress. It has shoulder straps and the material is crepe. This classy looking dress gives a vintage vibe, and as we all know, the polka dot print is not going anywhere, it's evergreen. This dress is available in 3 color variations and the price is less than rupees 400. Style this dress with pearl jewelry and it can make you look classy, sophisticated, chic and expensive along with looking extremely fashionable. Bring out the vintage diva within you in any party and turn the heads. Next is this velvet stylish bodycon one piece which is also shimmery. A perfect find for those who loves to wear fashionable, chic and stylish high-end outfits but on a budget. The material is velvet which makes it look expensive but it's light on your pocket as the price is less than rupees 600. Style this dress properly and wear it with confidence. You can make it look $1,000,000. I have this gorgeous black shimmery dress which is giving a very red carpet vibes. This is a maxi bodycon dress with full sleeves और इसके sleeves में there is this beautiful net design which is giving it a high-end look. The material is a very good quality velvet and the look can beat any designer outfit. This dress is available in 5 different color options and all the colors looks equally classy. The price of this dress is less than rupees 600. Next option के लिए I have this flared dreamy dress which gives a very flowy घेरे वाला beach gown vibes. This is a Georgette A-line dress with ruffled detail and V-neck. This dress has a very stylish cutout at the waistline and has bell sleeves which gives an extra dose of style and elegance. The flare is big and the overall look is very classy. The price of this dress is less than rupees 500 and you can wear it for multiple occasions from any party, concert to your vacations. Lastly, I have this designer maxi dress with beautiful detailing on sleeves and neck. The cut and style of this dress makes it one of its kind and an exclusive designer outfit in your party wear collection. The material is lycra और ये ड्रेस जितना expensive दिखता है उतना ही सस्ता है. You can get this for rupees 600 only. This dress is available in 2 variations and looks extremely stylish and classy. Just style it right with proper accessories. Don't overdo it. All the 7 dresses I have shared today are really affordable and incredibly fashionable. Channel को जरूर subscribe कीजिए for more fashion updates and thank you so much for tuning in.